Understanding Influential Activist, a guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase that you might come across in news articles, books, or discussions about social changes: influential activist. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what this phrase means but also be able to use it confidently in your own conversations. Let's dive in. Before we delve into the meaning of influential activist, let's break it down into two parts: influential and activist. Influential refers to having the power to affect or change how people think or behave. It's about having an impact on others' opinions or actions. Activist is someone who actively supports a cause, often aiming to bring about social or political change. Activists are known for their dedication to their cause, participating in activities like protests, campaigns, and public speaking to achieve their goals. Combining these two words, influential activist, describes a person who is not only active in supporting a cause but also has a significant impact on society or public opinion regarding that cause. Influential activists play a crucial role in society. They raise awareness about important issues, helping the public understand problems they might not be aware of. Mobilize people to take action, whether it's participating in protests, signing petitions, or changing their behavior to support a cause. Influence policy changes by persuading policymakers to address the issues they're campaigning for. Their influence can stem from various sources, such as their ability to communicate effectively, their social media presence, or their capacity to organize and lead others. To better understand the concept, let's look at some examples of influential activists. Martin Luther King Jr., a leader in the American civil rights movement, is known for his nonviolent protests and powerful speeches, including the famous "I Have a Dream." Greta Thunberg, a young Swedish activist, has gained international recognition for her efforts to combat climate change, inspiring millions to join her in demanding action from world leaders. These individuals demonstrate how one person's dedication and actions can inspire and mobilize many others toward a common goal. We hope this video has helped you understand what it means to be an influential activist, and the important role these individuals play in shaping our world. Whether through leading movements, speaking out on important issues, or inspiring others to take action, influential activists contribute to meaningful changes in society. Thank you for watching, and keep practicing your English as you learn more about the world around you.